So in the previous week, we have a rate hike, and in this recent week, is considered a post-rate hike week, and we have seen some volatility in the market. And under my radar screen, I've seen a sell-off alert as well. So do take a look at my article in the website. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. Ever since crossing the 2,300 level, the bulls have been making higher highs for the next 4 weeks after crossing the 2,300 level. In the recent week, we have a cross below the 4 weeks low. This is not so good for the bulls. Let's take another perspective of the S&P 500. We know that there's a cross above the 2,300 level, and the bulls continue to go up. After that, we have a flattened weeks. And in this recent week, the bears took control and pushed the index down. And if it were to go down, where would it go to? So we take a look at the previous breaking point, which is 2,200 level. And this will be the likely area that the index will go to if the tsunami hits the market. That will be the first area of support or target for the bears. How about Dow Jones? Dow Jones, similar to S&P 500, it has a break of the 4 weeks low. And in terms of target wise, we look at the start of the upwards run at these 2 points. And if Dow Jones were to go down, this will be the immediate area that Dow Jones will fall into. How about NASDAQ? NASDAQ has been climbing up very strongly for many weeks. And in this recent week, we have seen the first red bar. And this first red bar closed just below the uptrend line. I would not say that NASDAQ is very bearish at this moment in time. We would like to see what happens in the following week. How about Russell 2000? We know that Russell 2000 has been in a channel for many weeks, and after breaking out for 3 weeks, it's been struggling just above the channel. And in the last 3 weeks, it continues to come in back into this channel. I would like to see Russell climbing out of this channel again and to see whether is it bullish or bearish. But at this moment in time, all the indices are showing some bearish signs. Let's have a look at volatility next. The VIX has hit above $12 level to close at 12.96. This means that the market will get more volatile in the weeks ahead. How about Treasury bonds? Treasury bonds has been in a channel between $116 and $124 level for a very long time. I would like to see bonds crossing above $124 level for a move higher, and a close below the $116 for a move lower. And last week we have seen that it has bounced off the $116 level, but in this recent week it has gone back to the $120 level, which is the playing field for the bonds for many weeks. I shall see it breaking out of this channel in the coming weeks. How about Japanese yen? Japanese yen, after bouncing off the $82 level, it has been in a channel for a couple of weeks. And in this recent week, we have seen a break out of this channel. So I shall take a look at the bulls to see whether they can continue this upwards run, or is this just a 1 week movement. How about US dollar? US dollar, we know that the $100 level is a very strong support and resistance level. And after it has rebounded off the $100 level, we have seen many weeks of indecision bars. And in this recent week, we have a cross below the $100 level. I'll try not to be too bearish over this US dollar. I shall take a look at what happens next in the following week. So overall, I would say the S&P 500 would be a neutral to bearish trend. And for Dow Jones will be a neutral to bearish. And NASDAQ will be just a neutral itself because of that 1 week downwards bar. And for Russell, it's back into the channel for the last 3 weeks. For VIX itself, yes, crossed above the $12 level. So I would say that it's getting, market will be getting more volatile in the weeks ahead. For bonds, I would say that it's still within the $116 level and $124 level. I've yet to see the breakout of this channel itself. How about Japanese yen? Japanese yen would be, I would say that it has broken out of its channel, but I would like to see that the bulls managed to follow through in the next week. Dollar itself has broken the $100 level, and I would like to see that it's not just a 1 week downwards movement. I would like to see the following week that the bears managed to maintain the dollar below the $100 level. And most important of all, I've seen the tsunami alert in my radar screen, so be prepared. Have a good weekend. Thank you very much.